Well, hey guys, someone sent this extra long flex head ratcheting wrench set for me to check out. And so I wanted to check it out with you guys. I've already opened it up and looked at it, and I really like them. They work pretty well, but I really like a couple different things I want to point out. Number one, they're pretty thin and sleek, so that's really nice. So they're not super heavy, but they're able to, you can move them around pretty easily. Right here in this box, I have 8mm all the way to 19. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, all the way to 19. I like them as well. They maneuver right up here up front, so you can maneuver. So if you're trying to get in somewhere and you can't quite get in there just straight, you can always move these around and you're able to maneuver in there, which is nice. They feel smooth. Again, just feeling the ratcheting right there, it feels smooth, but I'm going to test that out here in just a minute. So we're going to try these out. We're going to see how heavy duty these are, try them on a few things, and see them. Like I said, I really like the flexible head, and again, thin shaft. You can move that around, and then even up to the larger, the heavy duty ones right here, 17 and 19 right there. So again, feels good. I like, again, the flexible, super useful, super convenient. You're going to be able to use that a lot on different things, again, working in vehicles or just even hard to reach spaces, because pretty much anytime you're using one of these, you're probably trying to do hard to reach spaces. I know I just had one recently where I was working on my dishwasher. This definitely would have come in handy trying to get back in there, being able to turn this certain ways and finagle in there, because I was using pliers and then different kind of stuff like that. So this would have been super helpful. So I want to try this out on a couple different things. So let's check those out. Also, I forgot to mention that it does come with a little bag. So you have a little bag for this. You can put that in there. I know I really like these. Now I have a ton of tools. People have sent me a lot of tools over the last couple years. So I have tools everywhere, all over the place. And it was nice when you have a little convenient bag. You can put them in, and then, if you really like them, put them in a different compartment or whatever it might be. But it's nice when it has a little bag. At least you can put them in there and carry them different spaces like that. So guys, one great way to use these is when you're trying to get into a place like this, like a motor. There's not a lot of space in there, and a lot of times different nuts and different things are turned, and bolts are turned like away from you. So being able to grab this and get in there is nice, but when you turn it like this, it's a game changer, because now you're able to get into bolts that you wouldn't normally get into, or you'd have to like stretch way out here or kind of things like that. So being able to have this, and you can now reach in here and get these bolts like this one right here. Now I can turn it like this, grab the bolt, and ratchet that out. That is a great use and great option for one of these. So guys, another great use is just using them for the ratchet as well. It's a really great option for that one. You're able to use this and ratchet them in. Again, you can get this in here, make sure it's tight, and ratchet them up. So make sure everything is nice and tight on there, and that way you're able to get everything in there, get everything nice and tight. So again, it's going to make sure it works well, and you're able to screw it in, make sure it uses it and gets in there. Again, another reason why I really like these. Another great opportunity for these is when you're trying to get to something, like again, you're working on your dishwasher, you don't want to have to take this all the way off, water might spill or any kind of thing like that. You can use one of these. You're able to get under there and get to different screws, or get to different bolts and nuts, and that way you're able to just take it off just with the ratchet itself, being able to get under small spaces and able to ratchet them out. And so it's super easy to use one of these instead of having to take everything off. And they're really small and thin as well. I like that, so that way they're fitting in there. And then like you said, you can turn the heads either way. So if you want to turn it this way, you can turn it either way, and that way you can get them out. And you also have your tool on each side. So overall, I think this is a great option. Works really well, super heavy duty. I think it's going to be a great one. I'm super excited and thankful that someone sent me this to check out. This is something I've definitely been wanting. Overall, I think this is a great album. Highly recommend. Check it out.